Hello everyone, I'm making my new friend called Forky. He has blue arms and blue feet. I'm making its arms now. Oh my, this is a twist time. Get it? Twist time? Hey, now to make his fingers. One finger, two fingers, fingers. Wait, to make it even more tighter. Wait, this was the other side. Tighten it. Perfect. Now to make the other one. Let me put this one down. Perfect. To make the other one. Oh well, it can just go up. Yes. This Forky is kind of like from Toy Story 4. Oh well, I guess you like that movie. Do you know I have a new best friend called Ryan? He's the best toy maker. You see, this is how far I went. Okay, so which color should I do for the eyes? You guys choose. You say pink. Okay, light pink coming right up. Oh no, you cannot see it. Then I guess we only can use black. Let me go and get another utensil first. Okay guys, so I just finished the face, you see? Here. Okay, so now I should, wait. I should get some blue tack. Oh, here it is. Oh my. This is amazing. I take this pen off and then put it underneath. Oops. I think I kind of need some more blue tack. Perfect, it's all finished. I have another one over here. And you know the knife one is the most colorful one, see? Do you guys see that? So, I hope you had a great video. Bye, guys.